In this video, I check out the stringed instruments that are included in the Nada library. Here's the ethnic violin. Gotta turn off that dream pad. I'm going to see what this legato attack does. Let me turn that up all the way. I'm going to turn this attack softness down all the way and see if that gives a harder attack. Here's the Koto. This one comes with key switches. You've got the regular sound. Then you have a staccato pluck. You have a finger pluck. You have a tremolo. And you can control the tremolo speed here. I'm just going to add it to and the dynamics are controlled by velocity. So one thing you can do is add the volume automation also to your mod wheel. And then you can control the tremolo speed. Actually, you don't need vibrato on your tremolo. So I'll turn that off for now. And let's... So let me just reset this instrument here by clicking out from the previous one and going back to it. Turn the dream pad off. So where were we with these key switches? We were on tremolo, so let's go to long vibrato. Then we have a bend up long. A bend up short. a bend down, a bend down long, and let me put it back to the normal articulation, the pluck. Here are the Eastern Harps. It's got 4 different harps all loaded up at once, with a dream pad applied. Here it is without the dream pad. Let's see what it sounds like with just harp number 1. Now let's hear what it sounds like with just harp number 3. Now let's hear what harp number 2 sounds like. That one sounds almost like a harpsichord to me. And here's harp number 4. And here we have the Tanpura with tuning number 1. This is a 4-string Tanpura. I think that's how to pronounce it. I'm not sure. If I'm wrong, then correct me in the comments. And this comes with key switches that give you different speeds of the patterns. It's a long fade there. And here's Tanpura tuning number 2. Tanpura tuning number 3. And here's the 6th string, male Tanpura tuning number 1. Here's the 6th string, male Tanpura tuning number 2. And I think we can skip over the other ones. You get the sound from these. And it looks like it comes with 4 of them. And so here's the Viola Da Gamba. Add the expression to my pedal here. Let me make this glide really slow. And finally, the violin. The violin can also play quite a bit lower than a real violin, which is pretty interesting if you want that effect. Maybe you want it to sound more like a viola or a cello. And then this is interesting. You can set the bow noise. So let me turn that all the way up. I'm going to turn the reverb off so you can hear what the violin sounds like dry. here's without the bow noise. And one neat thing that you can do, let me turn the reverb back on here, with the Dream Pad in the advanced settings, is you can set which Dream Pads you want to sound. So if I want to have just the Wind Pad and Dream Pad number 1, I can do that. Or I can get rid of the Wind Pad and have just Dream Pad number 4. Thank you, Best Service, for sending this library over for me to take a look at. Product links are in the video description. I have an affiliate with Best Service. If you take the link and buy the product, I'll make a commission. Like and subscribe, and check out the next video in the series.